Don't pull it so fast. Oh yeah, that's a nice beat he got going.
Thought you were gonna get a professional to do it.
Turns out he was like a week out, yo. We don't have time to wait. We need to boost around. You ain't a professional?
We'll see. If it doesn't leak, then I'll call myself one. So my brother got his first mod up his sleeve. What do you got here?
3. Check this out.
3 mods?
Guys, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the BPV I got. It's the Boomba. Man, I can't wait to hear these noises.
Stop moving it around so fast.
It's the Boomba right here. Comes with a little hose as well. Waiting for the bed to get off the lift because I need to pick the car up. I got a carbon fiber front lip. Can't wait to get that installed. And then we got this massive wing. Might as well call him an STI after this. Check that out.
Oh yeah, dude. You might start flying in that thing.
Dude, you can eat off this thing. It's like a table. But
yes,
check this
sir.
out. They make it super easy to drill. So set this aside right here.
Oh, they got a little
This
template.
is the left side. Yes, sir. Put it up against the trunk.
That is
And
awesome.
then right here, these 2 spots. Might as well mark them and drill them. And as for the rear, the right side, boom. I
That
wonder
is
if you have
pretty
to take
cool.
this little wing off right here to put it on. I don't think you do because I tried popping it off and there's actually holes.
Well, just mock it back up. If it's not going to be in the way, I say leave it, you know? Kind of have it like a duck scoop or whatever.
Yeah, I definitely don't think it's in the way. It sits about right there.
I don't
Dude,
know.
I'm digging this look. Man, it looks so good. I love it. I can't wait to slick it in, actually.
So why are you putting it on?
Just to test fit it. Obviously, I want to drill and put it on before I paint it, you know what I mean?
Make sure it doesn't fly out, fly off or anything like that. But yeah, I don't know. So you're going to leave that little lip on there?
Yeah, for sure. And since I'm zooming it around, since I'm driving it around with this being all unpainted, might as well drive it around with this unpainted. What do you think?
Yeah, you're matching all the way around 180 degrees. But yeah, you almost got the paperwork ready for the title. So we're going to hop on the RX-7, or you guys will see it. I'm not going to post this clip before we paint it, you know?
Oh yeah, and I can't wait to get this thing installed, man. This is gonna be a game changer right here, guys. Game changer for me. Just the driving, the experience, man. I'm excited.
Gonna be making all kinds of noises.
As of right now, let's get to drilling.
Didn't you get an exhaust for it too?
Did get an exhaust. It's right here, but turns out the guy, I got it from a buddy of mine, and he sent me the wrong mid pipe, which doesn't have the correct bend. So I'm gonna get that sorted out. But it's an ETS full exhaust, so stay tuned to hear what that sounds like.
Yeah, buddy. Let's get this wing mounted.
Don't want to make any holes through this little shield here. What is this thing even called?
I don't know. A cover?
Yeah, I don't want to make any holes through it, so might as well take it off.
Yeah, I hate making holes in like factory body panels for that matter.
Yeah, but man, this thing's going to be an STI. What can I say?
Yeah, but what if, I guess if it does get damaged or fly off, then you're going to replace it with another one. Cause
Buy another one. I actually wanted to get a carbon fiber one, but man, that thing was about $400.
dang, where you at, sponsors? Hit us up.
I know. Come on, guys. For now, let's go ahead and drill.
Scratch it up. You better not be off on it. Sheesh. Don't push so hard, you're gonna damage it. There's already a dent.
Shoot, I'm just gonna get covered.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Is that gonna be big enough, or do you have to bore it out?
I'll probably just go through with a bigger drill bit instead of boring it out.
Well, that's what that means.
Oh snap! I just hit a second layer.
Double-sided on that one.
I guess I gotta go through. This is tricky.
Why are you doing it like that?
How am I gonna?
Look at that scratch you just put in your trunk.
Dang.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are finally painting the 2018 WRX. Last week we just ran the car through the state inspection and we got a green light on that. So my bro went ahead and got the car taped up. It's all prepped and ready to go. And some of you guys were mentioning this in the previous episode on this car where we had oversprayed some clear on the quarter panel. That didn't really matter because the whole car got sanded, or this whole side got sanded once again. So now let's go ahead and apply some color and move on with our clear. So we got the WRX painted and bro got the car back together. Like the door panels, the door handles, the mirror, and I guess we're missing the molding for this front door, or he hasn't put it on just yet, which I don't know why. It's been a couple weeks since we painted the car. He's even got the windows tinted, which I gotta say flows pretty good with the black paint. The car is a little filthy, he's been whipping it around, but I gotta say this paint job didn't really turn out the way I wanted it to. There's just like a lot of orange peel in it, especially on this rear quarter panel, which I have noticed like factory car paint have orange peel. I think it gives it a little more durability, but I'm not trying to use that as an excuse. You kind of learn after every paint job. And I think what happened here was I was trying to walk the gun from the front door to the rear quarter panel and the gun was losing air pressure. The way our carport's set up, it's more than 25 feet away from the air compressor. And I did a little bit of research. I think you start losing like air pressure after the 25 feet, but we're definitely gonna have to get all that corrected. And we are gonna try to buff all this out. But if it doesn't happen, then guess we're gonna have to respray the car. Once we get ready to sell it, we also went ahead and painted and threw the wing on, which I gotta say looks pretty killer. But right now we're gonna go ahead and install the BOV valve in the front lip, which my brother already done. But the way I edited the video, we're just gonna play that footage now.
All right, guys, so here it is. Out with the old and in with the Boomba bypass valve. Man, I'm excited to see what this thing sounds like. So basically you do have to drop this little, not sure what this is, it bolts onto the turbo, and yeah, you can gotta let it loose. Makes it a whole lot easier to get to. So let's go ahead and install this and see what it sounds like. Okay guys, so we finished up with the Boomba bypass valve. Fairly easy install. Makes it a whole lot easier with the 2-post lift. The next thing I want to go ahead and do is throw on a front lip I got for the car. So let's get that done.
right, guys, so that's a wrap for today, and pretty much a wrap on the WRX. I do appreciate all the support you guys showed on this build, and you know, there's still a few things we have to do to it to make it 100% right. Like I said, we are going to be buffing that driver's side out, and hopefully all goes good with that. And then my brother's also got to replace the lip he just recently installed. I don't know what he did to it, but he completely destroyed that thing. So yeah, as of right now, we are just going to enjoy the car as it is. We got a lot of other builds going on. And it's a really fun car to drive, especially after installing that exhaust and blow-off valve. It makes all the right sounds, and you can really drop a gear and disappear around corners. So with all that being said, if you did enjoy today's episode, be sure to drop a like. Also, give us a follow on Instagram at Danny.tv. And if you are new on the channel, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment. Thanks for watching till the end. Peace out.